I talk about Wendy Williams.
See?
And she was iconic. She is iconic.
She is iconic.
Yeah.
Ting hopi ko ting hopi host today, lo no pasa iko ng Wendy tatas.
No.
Clap if you think she should die. No.
That's crazy.
There's no. Tata único ko por essa coisa. Tata bahaya. Hopi was that death threats probably about it.
Yeah.
Pero
But if you don't receive death threats, did you even make it in Hollywood?
I don't think I want that.
Oh, no. Not personally,
I don't think
no.
I would want that,
Pero,
no.
I mean,
Yeah.
ito
Pero she did
mong mate instrument.
Sí, pero hindi kaya itong parte di gewoon playing devil's advocate. So, no sé si ito así na libertad, pero ito siya pa, sa create just in the morning show.
Because I go that, and then I get a papi DJ, it's real for them. So, I will pass you content, pero
Yeah.
you just said clap if she should die. There's no content to say that.
Yeah.
Kind
Kind of fuels the death threat for the other.
See, it's kind of like
okay.
says. So, voor wat was that? Hoort
Sí,
wat?
sí,
Like,
sí, sí.
what goes around comes around. So, you know, to feel bad, cool.
That's what you gotta mention.
Yeah.
That's what people are saying. Not me.
Yeah.
To our sponsors. Not me.